Hello friends, my name is Ria Donita and friends,
Wafa Nurizati.
this time the news is about the lack of road repairs. Need attention from the authorities. The road is currently in a worrying condition. The road is full of holes and maggots, causing difficulties for road users.
Please carry out repairs as soon as possible to improve the comfort and safety of road users. Thank you.